Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good. In today's class, we are going to learn how to draw the diagram of rainbow formation. To draw the diagram of rainbow formation, take a compass and first draw a circle. Circle radius you may take 2 centimeters. Okay, this is going to be the water droplet for us. And now for this water droplet, when the white light comes and falls, what happens here? Here white light is coming and falling. Here refraction plus dispersion will takes place. Refraction plus dispersion will take place and the light ray will go through. This refraction happens means it should bend, correct? So it is bending. Okay, dispersion happen means it should split, so it is splitting. The color at the top will be red, color at the bottom will be violet. And here what happens? Internal reflection will happen. Internal reflection. So as the internal reflection happens, the light ray will pass like this after reflection. And here only refraction will happen. As refraction is happening, they have to bend the direction again, correct? So they bend the direction again. So red, 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 this is going to be red. Violet, violet, this is going to be violet. So this is how you need to draw the diagram of a rainbow. There is reason behind everything. Why they bent here, why they got dispersed here, what phenomena is happening here, what phenomena is happening here. So everywhere there will be a reason. Okay. So this is going to be the diagram of a rainbow. From here, if you look at, then it will be looking like a rainbow. Red, violet, remaining all colors will be in between. If you look from here, it will be looking like a rainbow. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.